You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance. Dual motor, all electric, with 36,000 miles that comes loaded up. ABS traction, stability control, premium Uberturbine wheels. Black exterior, black premium interior. Gets about 300 miles at 100% charge. The numbers right here. Car is still under full factory warranty. Sorry for the shorter days, I know it's getting a little dark. 36404 for mileage. Autopilot, upgradable to full self-driving. CCS enabled, premium audio, AMD Ryzen. So it's got the faster processor. Wireless charging pad, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heat pump, backup camera, blind spots. The only thing really missing is full self-driving, which it is upgradable to. Rear vents, it comes with a 110 volt charger. Absolutely no stories. Panoramic roof. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.